So this is our first video, and we're actually getting revenge on the birds because they keep chirping. It's pretty much like annoying. And then we want to destroy them because they're pooping everywhere. Because one time at a park, my friend, I forgot his name, but there's just a bird who pooped on his arm. And that's pretty funny. And by the way, me, my dad, and my sister right here, and Penny, and Aunt Bodie, we're all going to the store to buy some marshmallows, and we're going to open the bag so the birds will come to us and we can just get revenge on them. Guys, this is Ballerina, so be careful. You gotta get food.
Okay, Bodie. Bodie, you want to talk about what's going on?
Okay, guys, this is day 2 of getting revenge on the birds for no reason. Feed them whatever this thing is.
Yeah, we were doing marshmallows, but now we're doing oats because that's what's safe for the birds.
Yeah, because, yeah. So we're going to see if he'll try. Go, go! Hey, bird! You want oats? Oh my god. Bird!
Nope.
Oh
Don't be
God,
scared,
it's
everyone.
so
Baby, Jude, don't be scared of the birds.
My
Son
gosh.
almost ate me.
Should we do a tiny bit of the donut to get them over there?
Yeah!
Small piece of my dog.
Here, you give her. You shouldn't talk, Penny.
Oh, God.
Oh, man.
They don't like the oats. Okay, let's...
I saw that! Look! It just woke up her!
Okay.
It's working!
All right, let's go in so we don't get pooped on. No, in the car. They don't like oats very much.
Let's see if they ate the donuts. Guys, they ate the donuts! Woo!
God, no. Hey, Mila, no. Wait, should I put a little piece right on the car and see what happens?
Yeah!
Guys, right here. Oh, they took it. He took it.
Do birds like oats?
That's what's safe to feed them, so that's why. We don't want to hurt the birds. You got say something to end the video.
And subscribe, and this is our video of getting revenge on the bird. And there's one right there. So, that's it. Bye!